Let's make gameplay icons, place reference, select plane. Press K, trace the star, cut it out, add mirror modifier, extrude to -0.4. Bevel, width to 0.05 and segments 5. Shade smooth, select circle vertices 16. Extrude up to 1.2. Then extrude again, make it smaller to 0.6. Select bottom edges, press M, merge at center, select top vertices, press F to fill, select all, then triangulate faces, select plane, knife tool, trace heart into half, cut it out, add mirror modifier, select top and bottom verts, merge at center 1 by 1, extrude it out to 0.5, bevel, width to 0.03, segments into 4, then shade smooth. Now your objects are ready. Assign materials to them, add camera, set lighting, place the objects, change background color and render. Please do like, comment and subscribe for more.